which is screw spindle. So we have a screw spindle wherein of diameter 32 and wherein you have a diameter 20 and there is a diameter 16 and there is a key seat which is going to be there for providing the key, and that will going to be explained in the assembly. And then we have an M12 thread, external thread, and this is the way which is going to be looks for the side view. So we have a thread of square 20 into 5 left hand thread. So we're going to create this part now. So to do that, since this is the front view and we have taken this as the right side view, so we're going to consider, because this is the first angle projection, so we are looking from here and we are writing in this side, so we're going to have the left side view. So to do that, now first we'll go for tools, ordered. You select on order, then click on this UCS icon and make this as hide and enable the base reference planes. So now we'll go to home, click on sketch, click on the coincidental plane as this plane. Then so now we're going to take this as the reference for this line. So we're going to take this as the reference. So this line will going to be the reference line for this drawing, because the dimensions are given only from this reference. So first I will go for the project to sketch and click on OK. You just select this and select this. Then from here go to offset. You take diameter 32 to a length of 12. So come down to offset. Diameter 32 means 16 mm. Or you take the diameter as 16 and then to a length of 12 mm. So offset, you take 12 mm. So 12, and from here to here you take this. Then go to trim corner between these two. Then again from here we have the diameter 20 to a length of 18. So you just come down to offset. Diameter 20 means 10. You select this, and then from here, so the length is 18. So we're going to take offset. You take 18. From here to here you take 18. Then go to trim corner between these two. Then we have diameter 16 to a length of 28. So here offset, diameter 16 means 8. So from here to this, and then to a length of 28. So you take offset, take the length as 28. Then from here to here you take this. So go to trim corner. Now with reference to this we have taken this. Then with reference to this trim corner, so here just go to zoom area, then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Then we have this length, diameter 6, that is M12 to a length of 16. So offset, you take 16, M12 you say 6. So diameter, radius is 6. So you go to trim corner between these two and between these two and between these two. Now we have the diameter here. So the entire length is from here to here, it is 300 mm. So you come down to this, offset, take the distance as 300 mm. So from here you take 300, then come down to fit. Then from here go to trim corner between these two. Then from here, which will be 20 mm, so you take offset, take 10 mm. So from here you take 10, then go to trim corner between these two. Go to trim corner between these two and also between these two. So this is how you will be able to create this screw spindle. Then go to close sketch, click on revolve protrusion, go to home, go to revolve protrusion, select this sketch and select this line, center line. So go to revolve it through 360 degrees. Now you have this. Then go to finish. Now we need to create the thread now. To create the thread, square of 20 into 5. So go to home, click on thread, click on the cylinder for thread. You just click on this. Okay, click on the cylinder for thread. You take this and click on the end of the cylinder. The thread will be offset. You're going to take this, and the cylinder extent is M20. You want it is M20 TR20 by 2 TR20 into 4. This is the maximum pitch which you have, and just you can finish. So you're going to get the thread. Now we have one more thread here between these two. So to do that, this is M12. So that is what we have here, which is M12. But you have an undercut. That undercut is need not to be shown. That is only for the manufacturing purpose. So you'll go to home, click on again thread portion. I will say OK. Click on cylinder for thread and click on end of the cylinder. You take M12 and then say finish. So this is how you'll be able to get it. Now we have a key seat which has to be constructed, which will be a key seat of 4.5. That width is 4.5 and the depth is 2.25. So to do that, so I'll go to sketch, click on sketch, click on this reference plane. I will go to the zoom area, come down to this. So you will just click on home, click on sketch, click on this plane, and then this is the second one what I will need to consider. So I will just come down to project to sketch. I will say OK, click on this. So I will take the line, I will take intersection. This is not the one, you take this one. This is the second sketch. So here I will take offset, take 2.25. From here you take it on this side and also on this side. So then you have the depth is 4.5 by 2.25. So again this depth is 2.25. You just click on this and offset it here, and then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two, between these two. So this is the area. You just click on this and remove it and go to close sketch. So we have created the sketch. Now to this I will go to home, click on cut, click on this profile, accept. Then you take from to extend. You just click on this. You just right click for the from surface or right click to extrude from the profile plane. You just click on this and then to surface to this. So this is how it will going to create the model. So this is how you will be able to create this model. So now we will going to save this. So before saving, go to application button, information, go to material table. So what will going to be the material now for this? Screw spindle FE410W. So you just click on this, take FE410W and say apply to model. Then again go to application button, go to info, go to file properties, click on summary and type screw spindle and say OK. Then go to save, click on this. So select screw spindle and say save. So this is how we will be able to save this